In front of me is Honor 9A, and let me show you how to turn on or off touch sounds on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, go a bit lower and click on more sound settings. And here you can smoothly activate screen touch by tapping on this switcher, and from now on, as you can hear, it is active. So that would be all, this is it. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, so enjoy. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.